dia, like if you have an idea, or as we say in the South, oh dear me. Right. Oh, maybe that I got to spend 2 weeks at Osaka University staying in the boys' dorm. Or maybe that I got to attend an Apollo launching with the president in President Nixon was in the bleachers with, or I was with him. So yeah, there's that. Whatever that number is, it was 11, 12, 13. So look at you. You can help me. Awesome. Right. We got to tour the vertical assembly building the day before, and yay, Girl Scouts. Yes. Yes. It's very vertical. Exactly. And I appreciate you said the 5 facets because what else has facets? Can you think of something else? Diamonds. Exactly. And you are got a great memory. You a diamond has facets that are each themselves, but you can't take a facet off of a diamond. It's part of it.